Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply your wall sticker quickly and easily. The wall sticker comes with 3 layers. The bottom layer is the backing paper, in the middle is the vinyl sticker, and the top layer is the transfer paper, which we're going to use to transfer the sticker onto the wall in one go. First, we're going to clean the walls with a damp cloth to make sure that there's no grease or dirt and leave it until it's dry. Position the sticker on the wall. Use masking tape to hold it up so you can step back and make sure it looks right. If you want, you can measure, but I like to just use my eye to line it up. Now use 2 tabs of masking tape to mark the top edges of the sticker so we can line it back up later. Now remove the sticker and lay it on a flat surface. So you want to put your backing paper facing upwards and then using a credit card, rub it over to make sure the sticker will stay on the transfer paper. Then take a corner of the backing paper and slowly peel it back. Use an acute angle so it's almost folded back on itself and roll it away from the transfer paper. Go slowly and make sure the sticker stays on the transfer paper. If any parts try to stay on the backing paper, just pop them back down with your finger and continue. Now that's done, we go back to the wall. Line the top of the sticker up with the tabs on the wall and use a squeegee or the flat of your hand to stick the top down. Hold the sticker away from the wall at the bottom with one hand and work your way down from left to right with the squeegee or hand. Make sure to overlap each stroke so that you don't get any bubbles or creases. For larger stickers, you might need an extra pair of hands to help you here. Now rub over it with a credit card to make sure it's stuck down properly. You can go over it with the flat of your hand just to make sure it follows the surface. Leave it for 30 minutes to give the adhesive a chance to bond with the wall properly. To remove the transfer paper, just take a corner like this and peel it back. Again, use an acute angle so it's almost folded back on itself and go slowly and carefully, making sure all of the sticker stays on the wall and doesn't come away with the backing paper. Once again, if any parts try to come away, just pop them down with your finger again and continue. And now that the sticker is on the wall, just simply remove this leftover masking tape and it's finished.